Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Undermount kitchen sinks that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Kraus Standart Pro 32-inch 16-gauge Undermount single-bowl stainless steel kitchen sink. It is another great quality product from Kraus. This one has all the good features which Kraus brand is known for, such as indestructible feature. Furthermore, it is dent-resistant and easy to clean when it becomes dirty. When you invest in this, you would have real value for your investment. Moving on at number 4, we have the Kraus KBU 1431-1/2-inch Undermount single-bowl 16-gauge stainless steel kitchen sink. Kraus is the clear leader when it comes to this kind of product. This is one of the best models they introduced to the market. Furthermore, it can resist dent. The customer service from the company is the best you can get. Most importantly, it does not make any noise when you use it. At number 3, we have the Kraus Standart Pro Double Bowl Stainless Steel Kitchen Sink, KHU 102-33. Another name for this great product is indestructibility. It is designed with the finest quality materials available on the market. It does not dent and scratch. Furthermore, it makes the least noise when you use it. At number 2, we have the Ruvati 32-inch Undermount 50/50 Double Bowl 16-gauge Stainless Steel Kitchen Sink. This is 16-gauge material and this means that it is composed of superior quality and stainless steel material. Furthermore, it is very attractive because of the luxurious satin finish, and this makes it simple to clean and long-lasting. And finally at number 1, we have the Kraus KHF 203-36 Standart Pro Kitchen Stainless Steel Sink, Round Apron 60/40 Double Dowl. It is a professionally designed product and it is designed with the best quality stainless steel materials. It comes with everything you need to have it installed. It is durable and it is also dent resistant. If you want the best, you can think of this product. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.